Simple note taking app, and there are no notes right now, and we can create a new note by adding this add a note button or this plus icon on the top right on this top navbar, or we have this nice looking floating action button with this plus, and we can create a note by clicking on this button as well. So it opens this add a note screen where we can add a new note, we can add the description to that, and we can cancel it by clicking on this cross sign, and then we can create a note. So sample note title, then with the description, sample description for this note, then we can save this note by clicking on the save button or this right check mark button on the top right navbar. It will be saved. Now we can see the notes on this main page, and this is duplicated because I wanted to check the layout how it looks, so I am duplicating the same note. And now we can see the details by clicking on this, and then we can again add a new note if we want. Then we have two layouts, so you could see this grid and list layout. So grid is with 2-column layout, then list is with single column layout. And from there, at the bottom of each note we have this last updated date and time, then we have these 3 dots which opens this note action, so we can edit a note or delete a note from there. So when we edit a note, so let's say edited, and this description is also edited, also let's say updated, and we can save it, so it will be saved. Now we can see the updated details. And now if you notice this note title, it has 3 dots, so the complete title is not visible here, and that's because of the limitation of the screen size. So the solution is we could go with this route, the list layout, or we could click on it, tap on it, so it will open up in a pop-up, and here we can see the complete details. And from here we can copy the note title and description, or we can directly share it. So we can choose the app we want to share it, and it will be shared. And after that I showed you edit. So what do you think, what technology this app is built with? Can you guys guess? Please do let me know in the comment if you guys guess what technology this app is built with. And if you want a video where I am going to build this app with you, if you want that, please like this video, share this video, and drop a comment that we want this app tutorial. Okay, so if I got some positive feedback, positive response, then I'll start recording videos for this app. Okay, fine. And did I showed you delete? No, right? So we can delete it. If we delete it, it will ask for confirmation. If we press no, nothing will happen as expected, and then we can delete it with yes. And now we are back to the original layout where we don't have any note. And yes, one more thing, all this data is being saved on this mobile device, so this data is being persisted. We can close the app, and when we open it again, all data will be there. Okay, so please let me know in the comment if you want a video series for this app.